Flying weather girl here from the front yard. This is Merritt Island, Florida. It looks like we are under a severe thunderstorm. It is a pouring, woo, lightning, thunder. Pretty gnarly out there, y'all. I guess instead of hurricanes this year, we got a bunch of thunderstorms. Sounds like it's like a raging water. Well, if you live in Merritt Island, I probably wouldn't be on the roads right now. Ooh, I think my front lawn can't handle any more rain. Alright, flying life, what you gonna do? I'm gonna go inside.